Hi, I'm Jenny with Cocoa Daisy, and in this video, we're unboxing the Journaling Kit, the Deluxe Journaling Kit, and the Stationery Kit from the May 2026 Field Notes and Florals collection. Let's take a look at the Field Notes and Florals Journaling Kit. The journaling kit is fantastic. It's full of lots of beautiful artwork. Most of the items, or all of the items here, are designed to add as little bulk to your projects as possible. You know, they're just wonderful for that. So first we have our rub-on transfers, and they are so high quality, they're easy to use, and if you have not used them, I cannot recommend them enough. All you have to do is cut out the individual item that you'd like to use, and then place the top section on your project and use the included popsicle stick to rub the design right onto your page. And voila, you have these beautiful, colorful images that you can put in your journals or, you know, anywhere that you like to use these. We also have our sticker kit. All of these stickers are printed on our vellum sticker paper, so it is a little bit thinner and will not add as much bulk to your project. So this first page is a full sheet sticker. These are great for cutting out. They're wonderful for using, like if you have metal rule die cuts that you put through a die cut machine, you can use those to cut out different shapes and things like that. And lots of people like to use these as a whole on different pages in their notebooks and their planners. Next up is this really cool sheet of different sort of torn edges. Neat, right? This is going to be so wonderful for layering. So in case you're not exactly sure what I'm referring to, I'll go ahead and pull one up for you. So as you can see here, it's just got a torn decal edge, and then like you could put this in the corner of a notebook or, you know, wherever you'd like to include that. Isn't that cool? I love this. So that's what all of these are, is just different little torn sections for your projects. We have a lovely sheet of different quotes and watercolor splashes, and then also some washi type strips at the bottom. A sheet of alphabet stickers. Another sheet of beautiful little images, and then also some washi type strips at the bottom. And last but not least, we have days of the week and dates, and then a few boxes at the bottom for you to write things or to use those to layer with the other stickers that are included. Now we also have this beautiful sheet, little card that you can punch and add to your projects, but on the back it also has some journaling prompts. There are 10 journaling prompts included, and they're a great way to jumpstart your practice if you're stuck or you don't know what to write, or, you know, use exclusively. They're wonderful. They're really, really easy to use. And then last but not least, we have a roll of really beautiful polka dot washi tape this month. And I'm so excited about this color and the polka dots. They're both just wonderful and just such a great, great pattern to include in our journaling and decorating this month. Okay, how about the Deluxe Journaling Kit from the Field Notes and Florals collection? The Deluxe Journaling Kit comes in our heavy plastic folder that has a Velcro closure. And in case you haven't seen one before, they do have a gusset on the side. And so you can store them flat if you want to, and you can also load them up with supplies. So they are pretty great. All right, so first things first, we do have our patterned papers included, and there are 3 of these that are 13 inches by 8.5 inches, and they are scored and folded and also double-sided. So we'll start with this yellow. It has this off-white floral pattern, just tiny, sweet little florals, and then on the inside, lovely, isn't it? And then this third one, which has this vintage collage And then the back side is this sort of light green gingham pattern. Now, also included are 2 other sheets of patterned paper, and these are unique to this kit. You won't find them in one of our other kits. We have this off-white ledger paper, and on the back is a different yellow floral, tone on tone. And then we have this pink grid with a slightly different, like a peach. So this one is a really faint light green, and this one is a very faint peach. And they're just lovely, honestly. They're just usable and fun, and I love them for layering and tearing and adding things together. Now, also unique to this kit, we have 2 specialty papers. So the first one is this sort of textured tan paper. And then we also have a sheet of gold foil vellum. And hopefully you can see all those beautiful blooms on there and their long stems. They're absolutely stunning. Now, we also have a sheet of Kiss Cut PET stickers. Hopefully you can get a good little look at those. They're just lovely. We have 2 sheets of rub-on transfers, and these are included in our journaling kit. Now you can see there's lots of different layered images. So for example, like we have this background paper plus a little circle label, a floral, a little like stapled butterfly, some faux washi tape. It's just gorgeous how these pieces are all put together already. You don't even have to do it. It's fantastic. We have our sticker kit. These also are included in our journaling kit, and they are printed on our vellum sticker paper, which is a little bit thinner than traditional paper stickers, and they're just wonderful. So the first one is this full sheet of stickers. So if you pull it off the sheet, it will include this entire image. Lots of people like to use them as is. Some people like to cut them. You can also use like metal dies that you run through a manual die cut machine to cut different shapes out of these. We have some days of the week and some dates. We also have a sheet of lovely encouraging phrases, watercolor splashes, and then also some washi type strips. Then this is a really fun sheet. It has a bunch of little torn, I'm going to call them corners, because basically that's what most of these are. There are a handful of strips, but mostly they're corners. So I'll pull this one off in all different patterns, but as you can see, when you remove it, you have this really fun design in the vellum sticker paper that is the pattern that is included on the sticker. Very cool. I think those are going to be a lot of fun to use and a lot of fun to layer as well. All right, so then we have a sheet of very beautiful florals and tickets, and then some washi type strips. And then last but not least, a sheet of alphabet stickers. And we also have a sheet of journaling prompts as well. So if you need a little nudge in the right direction, if you need some ideas, or you just want to have 10 journaling ideas, you can use the journaling prompts that are included on this card. And this one is also included in our journaling kit as well. All right, so we have a die or a sticky notepad, and you can see it is one of our larger notepads. You can see this by looking at the size of it in comparison to my hand. And it's just got this beautiful layered vintage sort of feel to it. And it's really a lot of fun. All right, next up is our die cut stickers. Okay, so there's a variety of different images, flowers, leaves, things like that. Just lots of beautiful things to make your pages of any sort a little bit more beautiful. And I think that most of us can agree that having some creative outlet is great. And then also having more beautiful projects just really inspires us to create more, or to, in my case, like plan more, because I want to look back at, what I've designed and things like that. And then there's also a set of tabs included as well. And they are all different colors and patterns and can be used for obviously dividing different sections of a notebook or a journal or planner pages. I also like to use them on photos to notate, people, places, dates, things like that. Also included this month is our little stamp set. Hopefully you can see what a great design this is. Lots of opportunities for layering with this one. I received a sample stamp set. That is why I stamped these out for you so that you could see just how lovely these are. And then last but not least is the beautiful roll of washi tape. It just has this really lovely floral pattern. Hopefully you can get a good look at that, maybe zoom in and check it out, but it's so pretty. Okay, so this is our deluxe journaling kit. You can see images, digital renderings, and project ideas using this kit on our website. It's time to check out the stationery kit from the Field Notes and Florals collection. I know this is always a crowd favorite kit. It is such a fun one, and I know you're gonna love it this month. It's really great. All right, so let's start with this is the acetate sheet. It's so cool. The only reason I shake it is just so that you can know exactly what type of material I'm talking about. It has all these different lovely stamps included, birds and butterflies and florals, and just very vintagey and fun. We have this lovely collage vellum. So it is, that nice, beautiful weight vellum. I just always love the texture and how fun it is to use. I'm gonna scooch this over just a tiny bit. All right, then we have our PET stickers. If you haven't used the PET stickers before, you are in for a treat because not only are they beautiful, they are also so thin and so easy to use thanks to them being kiss cut. And if you have ever used PET stickers that are not kiss cut, you know why this is such a treat. We also have a couple of large, extra large tags this month as well. We have this beautiful floral one, and then we also have this one that says Field Notes on it. And then in the background, there's a little bit of vintage text and some florals down at the bottom. It's just really very lovely. All right, so we also have our postcard this month, and it's so pretty. Blooming in the Ordinary. And it's printed on this, I'm gonna call it watercolor type paper. It's very textury, it's a little bit heavy, it's just lovely. And the back side has a really nice vintage inspired design as well. I love it, so pretty. All right, we also have 3 sheets of really cool stickers this month. We have these sort of stamps with the vintage designs on them, different florals, different butterflies, things like that. We have some lovely little florals. And then we also have the different days of the week and the different formats. I absolutely love these. Like, I'm so excited about these ones that look like postmarks. I don't know why, but they just really hit for me. I think they're very, very, very cute. Next up is our die cut stickers or self-adhesive ephemera. These are our vellum stickers. So they're not completely opaque, but they are definitely beautiful. So as you can see, there's a variety of different designs included. We obviously have vintage inspired tickets and things like that, but we also have the big, beautiful florals and greenery. We have a grosgrain ribbon clip. I love this color. It's just a beautiful rosy sort of pink, mauve. How cute, right? I love it. So pretty. And then we have our little pin. This one says returned to sender. And as you can see on the back, there is a pin. I'm going to put it right there so you can see it. And side note, we sell in the shop. You can remove the little pin backing, just pull it out. And then in the shop, we sell these giant paper clips. They're really quite large with a big magnet on the top. If you remove the pin back, you can stick this to there and then have a giant little paper clip. So again, the paper clip does not come with the kit, but you can purchase these in the shop and they're really very, very cool. All right, so we have a sticky notepad and it's a cute one. Look at this. It's this beautiful sort of light green, sagey green color with a postmark at the top and then a grid here and then a whole pad of those in that design for that sticky notepad. And then we have a vinyl sticker. It says Bloom and Grow, and it has a postcard, not a postcard, a stamp, postage stamp edge too. Super cute. And then last but not least is our roll of washi tape. It's this really lovely color with the white flowers, just so gorgeous. It's just a nice unexpected pop of color with all of this sort of vintage theme, and it just all works together so incredibly beautifully. So this is the Field Notes and Florals Stationery Kit, and you can see photos and projects and digital renderings of this kit on our website.